The primary election is this Tuesday, and we are closely tracking a number of key races for you, including Attorney General. And it is a rather crowded list of candidates. In the Democratic primary, Boulder County District Attorney Michael Doherty, Deputy Assistant U.S. Attorney General Hetal Doshi, Consumer Protection and Workers' Rights Attorney David Segelman, and Secretary of State Jena Griswold. And on the Republican side, El Paso County DA Michael Allen and David Wilson, who says he is a retired attorney for the Army. Wilson, though, did not respond to our request for an interview. But your reporter, Sarah Horbakowitz, is covering the race for us this Tuesday, of course, joining us now. And Sarah, you did speak with the other 5 candidates.
Yes, we sat down and we had long conversations that we're actually going to post those full versions online. The Attorney General serves as the state's chief law enforcement officer, deciding if and how to get involved with state and federal lawsuits. Some of the topics on the candidates' minds right now include surveillance cameras like Flock, wildfire insurance rates, gender-affirming health care, and the growth of data centers. It's an important role with a full field of candidates. As Coloradans head to the ballot box, we sat down with almost every candidate for Attorney General. To begin, I asked each of them, why are you running for this position? Seligman shared his plans to advocate for protections for immigrants and workers' rights.
I am fed up with a system where wealthy and powerful interests play by a completely different set of rules than everybody else. And that's the sort of system that has given rise to the moment of crisis that we're in right now.
Doherty emphasized using the law to enforce environmental protections.
So it's about standing up against the federal government anytime they violate the rule of law and hurt Colorado. But water and environmental protection are key priorities for me.
Doshi said she'd start by assessing how federal policies are impacting Coloradans. What's day one?
Day one is going to look like focusing on making sure that the lawsuits that we are looking to file against the Trump administration are appropriately handled. But in addition to that, I think housing, healthcare, and food are day one.
And Griswold's motivation for the job is led by pushing back against President Trump.
I'm running for Attorney General to stand up to Trump and MAGA to protect our democracy and our fundamental freedoms.
On the Republican side, Allen wants a new party to lead the role. If elected, he would be the first Republican since 2014.
The primary focus of my campaign is really focused on public safety and cost of living. We've done a really bad job over the last roughly 10 years of one party being in control of every facet of state government, and we really need some balance and some common sense restored.
Many of the candidates have extensive court experience as well, something others have questioned around Jena Griswold. I asked Griswold about this, and she said she has more experience managing a large office than other candidates, and the Attorney General's office, she says, is not a trial attorney. However, some legal experts have said this position requires an intimate knowledge of the law.
All right, Sarah, thank you for that report. We're looking forward to your continuing coverage on election night. Yes. And remember, we will have you covered. We have more on those key races and who is running in them on our website. Just head to cbscolorado.com. And on election night, make sure you tune in to our 24-hour streaming service for live updates every half hour beginning at 7 o'clock.